Hello and welcome back to the Chard Coin and Bullion Dealer YouTube channel. I'm Christian and thanks for joining us on today's episode. So we're excited to talk to you today about the new Royal Mint 2025 Queen's Beast Completer bars. So these bars feature the same stunning design as the 2021 1-ounce Completer coins, which was incredibly popular among collectors. We actually sold out of this bar range before we even got our allocation of stock, which proves how popular this new release has been. But we still wanted to, when we got them into the building, we wanted to make a quick video just to show you guys the designs and how intricate it actually is. And also, because this stock will be going out to customers soon, we were quite surprised by the overwhelming interest in this new bar series. In fact, it's became the highest ordered product with our staff at Chard in recent history. So a lot of the staff members here at Chard ordered themselves either the 1-ounce gold or the 1-ounce silver. We do have some collectors here and yeah, they were really excited about this release as well. This series was available in 3 sizes. So you've got the 1-ounce silver, the 1-ounce gold, and the 10-ounce silver. And our CEO Lawrence made a joke that the silver 10-ounce bar could even make for a great coaster for a glass. As you can see here, we've got a nice Chard's branded glass sitting gently on the 10-ounce silver bar, albeit a very expensive coaster. You could even use the 1-ounce silver or the 1-ounce gold as maybe shot glass coasters. The point of this video is we want to hear from you and what do you think of the Royal Mint's new bar release? Why do you think this series was so popular? We believe the popularity of these bars comes from their beautiful design, the variety of sizes, and the collectible nature of the Queen's Beast series, as well as the previous bar series the Royal Mint released, the Celebration bar series, being popular too. So, we'd love to know your perspective, so share your thoughts in the comments below. We're eager to hear your views on this exciting new bar range. Hopefully we'll get some more in stock at some point, but we can't promise anything. But they have been very, very popular. Let us know if you managed to get hold of one, and we would love to carry on the discussion in the comments or on the Silver Forum, which we will leave a link to in the description. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on our latest product releases. And also just to sign up to our mailing list so you don't miss out on any new releases like this and you can be the first in the queue. See you again soon.